So the problem was to determine which region of the PNP transistor that we're in for this setup right here. So we're going to look at this chart right here, which tells us based on our VCB and our VBE what region it's supposed to be in, and then figure out what's going on over here. So the first step is to make an assumption of what region we're in. I'm going to go with the cutoff region just because it's the easiest to figure out. And then we're going to take a look at our transistor. Our transistor is a PNP transistor. You can tell this because of the way the arrow is pointing into the base of the transistor. Here you have your emitter, your base, and your collector, and your voltages at each junction. So onto the problem. The problem is asking what region the PNP transistor is in. We have a 5-volt V source here and a 5-volt Arduino here. Because we're assuming it's in cutoff, that means we have 0 current. And based on page 622 in the textbook, VBE and VBC have to be greater than negative 0.5 amps. Okay, so if we look at this circuit here, we have 5 volts coming in this direction through this 500 ohm resistor. So you're going to get greater than this number right here. So that satisfies one of the conditions for cutoff. Then if you look over here, you have 5 volts from your voltage source going through the emitter down with no resistor. That's also going to be 5 volts, or VEB equals 5 volts, and that is greater than this. So here's another check mark. So since they both meet the criteria, we have zero current. That means it's in the cutoff region. And scene.